Hello chemistry class, it's Mr. Ng, and I wanted to go through a few of the pH and pOH practice problems. So here, let's do a sample problem directly out of the book. In this set, it wants to find the pH, and it gives us concentrations, right? Molarity, concentrations. How thick is it? So the equation here is negative log. pH is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, right? The molarity, this is going to be our molar of hydrogen ion concentrations, right? H and H. On the same token, pOH is going to be the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration, right? And we here have a strong acid and a strong base, so we're gonna assume that this KOH is going to fully release OH minuses, and this HNO3 will fully release H pluses. So let's hop into the math. So A, we're given a concentration 0.00010 molar, right? That's our concentration. And we want the pH, so that's just going to be negative log of that number. So I can tell already that the number is going to be 4, because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you just have to count the decimal places because this is an even number. There's only ones and zeros here. So I know that the pH here is equal to 4. If you don't believe me, just plug it in. You'll see the negative log of that number should be 4. Just to do a little bit of extra work for no reason, we can find the pOH. The pOH is going to be 10 because these guys sum up to 14. Let's do B. For B, I'm going to do negative log again, but I should know that I won't find pH directly, even though that's what the problem wants. The problem wants pH, but the best I can do, because it gives me a base, the best I can do is to find the pOH first, and then I can find the pH. So let's do that. So let me find the pOH. That's going to be the negative log of 0.0136 molar hydroxide. So I'm just going to do negative log 0.0136, and I get 1.87. So that's my pOH. We don't have the answer yet, 1.87, but we do know that the pH is equal to 14 minus the pOH, right? They both sum up to 14. So that means our pH is equal to 12.13. And this is our actual answer along with this. So I should have added on one more equation. Don't forget that pH and pOH is equal to 14. So just a little bit of plugging in, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move on. In this set of problems, instead of wanting to find pH, we are given the pH, and we want to find the hydronium and hydroxide concentrations. To do that, we do anti-log, meaning the H plus concentration is equal to the anti-log of pH. What does that even look like? Well, it's basically base 10 of the negative pH, right? That's going to give us the H plus concentration. So for the other equation, to find the OH minus concentration, we do base 10 of the negative pOH. Seems simple enough. And I think somewhere in here, we're still going to use that equation where pH and pOH is equal to 14. So let's do some math. It wants to find the hydronium, which is this guy, basically H plus, and the hydroxide, which is this guy, from a pH of 5.05. Okay, so to find the H plus concentration, you know, sometimes our book likes using H3O plus. The math is the same. One's a hydrogen ion, one's a hydronium ion, but they're basically the same thing. So this is going to equal to 10 to the negative 5.05. So our hydrogen ion concentration is going to equal to 10 to the negative 5.05. And I got 0.000089. 13. So that's really ugly. If you want to put it into scientific notation, it would be 8.9 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the negative 6. That looks good. That's our hydrogen ion concentration, right? To find the hydroxide ion concentration, we need to first turn this into a pOH. So here's part A, here's part B. So we know that pOH is equal to 14 minus the pH. So our pOH here is going to be 14 minus 5.05. That's 8.95. And then now I just got to do the negative log. So the hydroxide concentration is, no, not the negative log, base 10, is equal to 10 base negative 8.95. There you go. I'm just going to do 10 to the negative 8.95. And I get 1.12 times 10 to the negative 9. Good. So for many of you, your biggest problems are going to be figuring out how to set up your calculators. So just talk to each other, figure this out on how to do that. Thank you very much for watching.